have a tip that I want to share with you today. There are times that I make something because I'm really the only one who eats the foods that you see on my channel in my household. And so I have to find some place to store them. I have larger Tupperware containers and things like that for lettuces and salads. But when I make a small cheese sauce or something like that, I want to have something that I can put on it, that has a tight fitting lid. And so what I've started doing, and I'm going to share with you, you can do the same thing, is to take something that's glass with a tight fitting lid, and I usually use these. This is Polaner all fruit. Right now this jar is full, but I have one that's in here and it's soaking. And I soak the label off. I've mentioned this in a couple of my other videos. I'm going to show it to you on here. You can't peel it off. There is, like, it's glued on, and if you can see, it kind of comes off, but you see the white that gets stuck onto it? So it needs to be soaked. And I've been soaking this one, for a couple of hours. If you do it overnight, that's even better because it'll probably just slide off. Some are more difficult on glass jars than others, but this one should come off fairly easily. See this? It's just gonna peel right off. That's one part. And then you just go to the back, do the other. And in the water, I just have put dishwashing detergent and water. That's it, right from the faucet. And you're just gonna peel it off. There was another tip that I gave you about getting glue off of things. And that's what you're gonna do with this one. You're gonna use, it's called Citrusolve. I just put it in a smaller container because it's a pretty large container that it comes in. So I just get this, another little container and put it on. So, you know, put it on. And this you have to let it set so that it starts to melt. It's made of the citrus oils from any citrus fruit, lemons, limes, oranges. This one is called Citrusolve. I think it's just lemon and orange. But it will dissolve that glue like in nothing flat. And so once it's dissolved, I'll rinse it off and I'll show you. You'll have a nice clean jar. You make a small amount of something, and you can do it with big jars too. So I'm going to go to the sink and I'm going to wash it off, and then I'll come back and let you see what it looks like. Okay? That's all I did. Washed it out, and you saw that haze of glue that was on it. It's perfectly clean now. And so all I do, fill it with something, wash out the lid as well, and you've got a airtight little glass jar to put your goodies in. Okay? So that's just another tip. Use what you purchase from the store to store your product, your whatever it is you're cooking, or whatever sauce you make, or anything like that. Even your salad dressings could go in these. Just a different way of saving money so that you don't have to go out and buy the famous jars by, you know the ones I'm talking about, the ball jars, the mason jars. You could use your own jar that you buy with mayonnaise or jelly or something else in it. So that's my tip. I hope you use it. I'm glad you joined me today. Bye for now.